Good morning, everybody. Magical Monday today, and we're talking about cleaning the house today. Callum is cleaning the house the best.
Yeah.
I think that was over enthusiastic. I like it. Here's a little tip for getting the house clean in the holidays, because let's face it, well, for some people it's just been one big holiday in lockdown, hasn't it? Insert sarcasm here. But the 3-song cleanup, which I had forgotten about, but we're going to bring back today. 3-song cleanup is a great one for the holidays because it is the whole family for 3 songs with a duster, with a vacuum, with a whatever, and you just go for those 3 songs cleaning the house. So the 3 songs, where do they come from, Mr. B? Oh, the 3 songs come from a family playlist. So you put the family playlist on random. Everybody chooses 3 songs to put on that playlist of their favourites. You then, we're at the end of the walk, so I'm puffing a bit. You then play, and everybody goes as hard as they can, cleaning the house, putting things away, dusting. You can dance around with your vacuum to your favourite song. Hey, Callum. Yep.
I do that.
Callum does. He's pretty good on the vacuum. Angus, what about your teenage verdict on 3-song cleanup? Is it okay? Is it better than just cleaning the house? See that? It's all right. That's the teenage version of amazing, Dad. That's what that is. Yeah, so hit random. Don't go longer than the 3 songs, which I've done in the past because we just want to get stuff done. And you'll be surprised if you do the 3-song cleanup each day, how quickly and how tidy the house is without putting in massive amounts of energy and effort. So 3 songs usually goes for about 9 minutes. And it's amazing what you can do in 9 minutes when you have everybody in the house doing it. So yeah, there you go, 3-song cleanup. It creates a different state, and at the Mindmaster we're all about different states and changing your state so that it becomes more fun. As with learning, as with anything you want to do, change your state. Brilliant. I hope this is helpful. Give it a go and we'll go from there. All right, very good. I'll see you all later. Enjoy the beautiful day. Bye-bye, Callum and Angus and Kim.
Bye.
Yeah. See you guys. Have a good one.